Look at these products already in August. We have Ornaments with popular nows and bestsellers, and like this product here that's only been around for 9 months have made 441 sales just in the past 30 days. So if you're not thinking about creating ornaments right now, you might be missing out on a huge opportunity to get ahead of amazing trend that we know is going to explode. And so in today's video, I want to share with you some top trending ornaments that are doing well, how to use Printify to actually find these ornaments, and how to create your design. You can start selling these on Etsy today. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So the main place that we're going to use to sell all of these ornaments is with Printify. They have a ton of things for you to choose, and they seamlessly connect with your Etsy shop, where the only thing you really got to focus on is creating high quality products. And as you can see, they have a ton of things for you to select. And unlike your traditional t-shirts, we're heading over into the ornaments this time, because as you can see from just the data on Etsy, ornaments are already selling extremely well. And Printify has all of the major popular ornaments you can start selling as well. We can see the price here, even for these ceramic ornaments here, starts at $4. This one here, $7.58. And they even have some of these popular ones like the glass themes that we see to do extremely well on Etsy as well. And so if you do want to get started with Printify, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to get started. Again, you can get started absolutely for free and get access to all of their amazing products. But if you do want to get a little discount on all products sold, you can jump on their Printify premium version, in which Printify was able to give my audience a discount code to utilize this 30 days absolutely for free. So again, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. All right, so we first go do some product research. And again, as you can see, we're just simply searching up the basic category of ornaments, and you can see all of just the popular now badges on Etsy. And again, we're talking about searching this up in August, and these are already doing well. So we know this is just going to increase in regards to demand. But if they're already making sales now, we definitely want to get within this wave of the market to start selling. And so there's multiple different products that's doing well. I'm going to plug out just to share with you some examples of how to get started yourself. But one thing, as you can see, personalization is going to be key. Either it's going to be focusing on the date, or it's going to be focused on someone's name. Those are the type of things we definitely want to sell. And usually when we're talking about creating ornaments, we're going to focus on a special occasion, bringing in again personalization, but going a step further in identifying just designs that are selling well that we can add our own unique style to. All right, so the first design that we see to do well are these type of ornaments that's focusing on our first Christmas together as a family. And you can see most of these that are expressing this type of design is focusing on, again, the main phrase of the design, which says our first Christmas. And then we have this personalization at the bottom that I said again is going to be the main focal point of our design. And this is a very easy design you can create with AI for these elements here, but we can go a step further and add in, I think, more design style to this, even some top trending elements we see to work well on Etsy. We can see the sales data on here that 17 people have in the cart. Again, this has been around just for about a year here, but it sold 12,000 products. I think that is so huge, because this is still a design, still a theme that people like. So we definitely want to tap into this and start creating our own version. But again, 19 sold in the past 30 days, and this is just going to increase as time go on. Again, we see the same thing being done with this product here. This has only been around for 10 months. So definitely an opportunity to still tap into this design market, because this is actually trending. We can see 20 plus people have it in the cart. And as you can see, it's still bringing in that same design theme here. We have different type of design styles here, which again, this can go on and on with AI designs. Again, it's bringing in dad, mom, and the person's name here of the child. And we have the date as well. And honestly, when I look at these type of products, I think we can do even better. I think there's a huge opportunity, even with the mock-up images, we can answer a lot more specific questions and clarify a lot with our designs and our shipping and our pricing in regards to this with the mock-ups. But again, the design itself is still trending, and as you can see, different elements can definitely bring out different themes of the design. Again, we can see the data on here, over 1,000 products sold just in the lifetime of the listing, and again 34 sold in the last 30 days. And again, this is just ongoing. And now this one's been around for a very long time here, but the reason why I brought this one up is just to share with you that this is not a new idea, but this is still a top trending idea. We can see this has been around for 58 months, so over 44,000 products, and even just in the last 30 days it's still selling. This same type type of theme is still doing well. We see that with the data back here. It's just been around for 10 months. But I think the key thing with this is not to be afraid of designs that's been around for a long time like this, but going into other product categories like t-shirts, seeing what elements are selling well, and then bridging that over into this space of ornaments, the same type of layout of design styles that we can add in something new. When I look at this as far as designs and trying to do my trend research is to identify what is working well. Obviously this phrase is doing well, but also what is missing in the market. And what's missing in the market is possibly top trending elements that's found in t-shirts and sweatshirts could be missing on these type of ornaments here that we definitely want to tap into and start creating and designing for our space. So we definitely found some Christmas themes to work well. Again, we also have our ornament that we selected from Printify. Again, we see the print space and the print area here. And if we do want to download the template, we can download the template just to make sure that we are designing within the space that works well. And now we just need to go and create our AI design, apply this to our canvas, and just create this as a placeholder so that when we do get an order, we can change the names and ship this off to our customer. All right, so we're going to hop over into Canva. We're going to go ahead and create our custom design here, and we're going to pull exactly from what Printify told us. So it's going to be 1043 and it's going to be by 996, and just make sure this is set to pixels so you can get the right type of space here. So we go ahead and hit create, and this is going to be the canvas in which we will create our design. Now I want to head back over into Etsy because I want to actually utilize some of these designs as a template for me to create further of my design that's going to look like this. And the tool I'm going to use today is my Creative Prompt AI tool. This is a tool within inside of my membership that will help you create just outstanding AI products that can do extremely well with text. As you can see here, we have a lot of templates already made, and so this makes it easy for you if you're trying to find the design prompt to create AI designs. And again, I'll make sure to leave all the information to my private Etsy community if you do want to get access to this custom built tool. So we're going to head over to AI generator, and we're going to specifically focus on this area here. Is it because we're going to upload our design and get a creative prompt so we can use on our ornament. So that being said, I want to find a design that I think is doing extremely well here, and I think this one is doing extremely well. So I want to click one of these here, and I want to copy the mockup image, and I want to head over to creative prompt, and I want to click on this button here where it says upload image. And then from here, I can simply hit Control V for PC, Command V for Mac. And now it's going to upload the image, and I want to hit generate description. And now it's going to give me a creative complex prompt that's going to be similar to this style here that I can remix and design further. So as you can see here, we have a very complex and creative prompt. If I just were to generate this image here, you can see that we have a very unique design style that is similar to what we found on Etsy. But again, I want to go further, just not utilize this just as it is, but I want to go back to the theme of what we saw with the ornaments and actually find a design theme that works well with this. And so we're definitely going to have some of the elements here, but I want to focus on ones that represents a mom, a dad, and a child. And with that being said, I have my template already made here, but I just want to go down and remix this a little bit further. So I'm going to remix from the original design here. All right, so here's the remix prompt I put in here where I just simply said to maintain the same style, but instead of it being 4, I just want there to be 3 geese, and I want one to represent a mom, one to represent a dad, and another just to represent a young child. And it's going to take the same type of style, give a different variation, but I think it's going to be a great place for us to utilize this as our ornament design. So from here, I'll go ahead and hit apply remix here. It's going to give me a remix prompt. Notice here how it still kept the same type of festive theme, still focused on the geese, but just a different type of style. I'm going to hit generate remix from design. All right, so here is the design style that we have, and I think that came out extremely well. Again, this is what the original looked like here with our design, and this is what our remix looked like. And as you can see, we definitely came out with a different style, but I think a style that could still do extremely well. One represents a mom here, another represents a dad, and we have one that represents a child. And we have this phrase at the bottom that we can just simply remove once we put this over into Canva, but I think that is still a great starting place with our design that we can add in personalization, add in popular phrases, and still do something extremely well with this. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and plug this over into our space with our design and with Canva. And now this is going to be the element that we're definitely going to use for our design. And the cool part about this is that within inside of my membership community, if me or one of my members have created something, we can simply select this to be a part of our community template design. So when I hit generate again, it's going to give us a different variation of the design. But the cool thing about this is that now this is a part of our community templates. And so if you join my Etsy community and actually get into the Creative Prompt AI tool and head over to our templates page, you'll see that now this is a part of our templates where you can go in and remix this and redesign this to fit whatever product you are creating. So this is extremely helpful if you are struggling with creating designs. Again, we have all these templates to help you get started, as well as you can use any Etsy mockup as your template for you to create and design even further. All right, so with that being said, we're definitely going to utilize this here for our design, and we're definitely going to remove the line here because we're definitely going to add in some more design styles that matches exactly what we find to do well on Etsy, like this here. And so I'll go ahead and remove the background and start designing for our product. All right, so now that we have our background removed, we want to go ahead and add some text to our design. So I'll go ahead and push the T button here to bring up the text in Canva. All right, so we have our layout already done here. Again, the cool thing about this is that we can go in here and change the actual font style at the bottom. So we're just going to simply click this one here, this font that I chose. Let's bring up this type of script font design here. We can put the date down at the bottom. So I'm simply hit copy and paste, put the date down at the bottom. Again, I'm not too much worried about spacing because we'll space everything out accordingly. And now I can go ahead and put the mom, the dad, and the child's name. And remember, when we do get an order, that child's name is going to change based upon what we get as the personalized order, but we'll just utilize this as a placeholder for now. And we have our entire design complete and done. And literally that's all you have to do in regards to creating these designs. Again, go find a design that's selling well, like we found with ornaments here. Go a step further and actually identify what is selling outside of that product category. Like we did here, we found that these geese designs selling well, and that was not found in the market of selling ornaments, but we went a step further, found a popular phrase, found a popular layout, and simply added in our own design theme that could do extremely well on Etsy. And honestly, we could add more creativity even with the text, where we can actually curve the text style even further. I think that can do extremely well. Again, all these names are going to change. We can make them bold if you want to, but I think this is just an easy design for you to get up and start creating and designing on Etsy. Now with everything done here, I like to group everything together, center it to our design. I want to head over to download. I want to save this as a PNG. Make sure that the background is transparent. I want to go ahead and hit download, and I want to head back over into Printify. I want to go ahead and upload my design, and I think that came out extremely well here. Again, it fits perfectly within inside of our space here with our circle for our ornament. Again, the DPI level is high, so we're going to have a sharp design that's printed. I can head over to preview to see what it's going to look like once it is printed out, and as you can see, I think that came out extremely well. And again, this could be another design you can create in multiple ways. We can add in another child if we do want to have another variation of this as well. But again, I think this really makes it easy when you combine print on demand and AI designs to your products. This can help you sell extremely well on Etsy. And again, going back to our data, these type of products have sold extremely well, but we definitely want to focus on the design themes that we see to work outside of the ornaments and bring them over into our space that could do extremely well this Christmas season. So if you do want to get started with this, make sure to leave Printify down in my description box below, as well as a link to access my Etsy community to utilize the Creative Prompt AI tool so you can design products just like this for your print on demand business. And check out this next video here where I share with you another top trend you can start designing and creating on Etsy to help you make sales. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.